Alright guys, we have a 2011 and Tucson with a 2.4. So today we're going to be doing the knock sensor. So first, I just showing you what I did. I take out the chattel body to gain access. There are 4 bolts there. First I take out the intake, and there are 4 bolts on the chattel body. They're all number 10 and number 12, number 10. So I take the chattel body out, I move it aside because I didn't want it to deal with the lines, and then I disconnect all the necessary harness. I disconnect the gas line number 10, and I disconnect the intake line to the breather for the vacuum, and disconnect this line too for the actuator. And then they had some bolts on the side to take out the manifold intake, this size, this number 12. So it have one here where the circle is, one here, and where the groove is here, one here, and they have one in the back there and one there, and then one over there. And guys, I just set it aside. And you got to pull the intake up because it have some other screws, bolts, rivets inside there too. As you can see, guys, you got to pull it up there because you have 2 of this in the back. So I just get the sensor from inside because that's the number 12. It's right inside there. You can just push your hand in and disconnect it from the front, guys. This is the knock sensor on 2011 Hyundai Tucson, but it's Optimum, have the same engine, same sensor, Sonata. So basically this could help you in a lot of different areas, guys. So this is the number 12, and as I said, guys, you don't have to pull the intake right out. You just put your hand between there with a number 12 wrench, and then you can pull it out right there. So if this helped you anyway, guys, your knock sensor for 2011, 2012, 2009, once you have the same 2.2 or 2.4, they use the same sensor. So pretty much is the same procedure, guys. So guys, if this video helped you a lot, and guys, just have the hook here. It's right here, number 12. So you gotta make sure to take that out because it's gonna be touching here. So guys, if this helped you in any way, please don't forget to consider subscribing, and let's push forward this channel for greater stuff, greater things, and everybody could help you. It could help you at home. It could help somebody at home too. So guys, catch you on the next one. As I say, you don't need to take out the intake all the way. This is the old one, and we're gonna be replacing. I'm gonna get some testing first, but we're gonna be replacing this today, guys. So make sure, if you're doing this, work safe, and I catch you guys on the next one. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is 2011 Hyundai Tucson with a 2.4, 2.2 liters, same thing, guys. All right, guys, see you and catch you on the next one.